Here are my top 5 accessories I use every time I screen print a shirt. First things first, you need a way to get your image onto your shirt. I like to use the Ikonart custom stencil kit to create a custom silkscreen stencil using my design. So I use our purple textile film. This is a little sturdier and stickier than the blue film, and it works great on textiles. And the film has a mesh embedded in it, which holds all the little details in place and helps to make the stencil reusable. So I can use this one stencil to make as many shirts as I want. Next up is a tacky mat. I always put a tacky mat inside of my shirt whenever I'm screen printing. This helps to hold my shirt in place and also helps to protect my shirt from bleed through so the ink doesn't seep on to the back of my shirt. Speaking of ink, my next accessory is fabric ink. We like to use Speedball fabric ink, and today I'm using the Speedball opaque fabric ink in white, but they make it in a lot of different colors. This ink is formulated specifically for fabric. Once it's heat set, it does remain wash safe, so you can throw the shirt in the washer and the design will stay put. And the ink is nice and flexible, so it's not going to crack, and it just gives a really nice look to the shirt. I always apply my ink with our silicone squeegee. I just like how this applies, and it's my preferred squeegee whenever I'm doing fabric. So after my design is completely dry, then my last accessory is a heat press. So I have this little mini one, but they also come in bigger sizes, or you can use an iron as well. And I will link our blog post below where we go over 4 different ways to heat set your ink. So those are the 5 accessories I use every time I screen print a shirt. Keep watching to see which accessories I use when I'm making my stencil. When printing, you can use any inkjet or laser printer, but we love our Canon Pixma IX6820 along with our Arthur Imaging inks. When making Ikonart stencils, of course we use our Ikonart kit, but then we also use this Beastron remote to turn it on and off, and our Oveki timer to time it. When washing out Ikonart stencils, we use our high pressure trigger jet nozzle, as well as either a screen printing frame or the Ikonart clipboard to support the stencil. When drying our Ikonart stencils, we like to use either one of these baking racks or a film dryer or food dehydrator to speed up the process. My name is Fawn, and I share tips and tricks on how to make and use Ikonart stencils. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to use your Ikonart kit to screen print, check out this video right here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time we upload.